The Commode by Vive provides a versatile solution for those with limited mobility. Use as a standalone unit, toilet safety frame, or elevated seat for existing toilets. It features a 7.5 quart pail with a lid and splash guard and accommodates most standard Commode liners. A convenient carrying handle makes the pail easy to empty, while the lid reduces splashes and spills. The armrests are covered with soft foam for a comfortable, secure grip. Legs are adjustable and tipped with a non-skid rubber cap for extra stability. Lightweight, corrosion-resistant stainless steel supports up to 350 pounds and is easily cleaned. When not in use, fold away for storage or transport. The Commode by Vive is trusted and proven. Check out the 5-star reviews. Plus, it's backed by an unconditional 60-day guarantee. You can't beat that anywhere. So confidently order yours now for the convenience and stability you need.